Namaskaram and hello to everyone. My name is Anushya and I'm 7 years old. I live in England and I'm a student of Ramas Carnatic. Today I'm going to sing a kirtane called Ikonode in the ragam Vrindavana Saranga set to Adi Talam. This sweet piece full of devotion was composed by Sri Padarayaru in the Kannada language. The composer invites us to look at the little feet of Lord Ranganatha and share the Lord's many feats. Sa pa sa pa sa Ikonode Ranganatana putta padava Ikonode Ranganatana putta padava Sikkide Shri Lakshmi Patiya Divya Padava Sikkide Shri Lakshmi Patiya Divya Padava Ikonode Ranganatana putta padava Ikonode Ranganatana putta padava Shankar Chakra Gada Padma Ankita Padava Shankar Chakra Gada Padma Ankita Padava Ankusha Kulisha Dvajarika Ankita Padava Ankusha Kulisha Dvajarika Ankita Padava Pankajasana Hridayadalli Naliva Padava Pankajasana Hridayadalli Naliva Padava Shankataharana Venkateshana Divya Padava Shankataharana Venkateshana Divya Padava Ikonode Ranganatana putta padava Ikonode Ranganatana putta padava Bandeya Balaya Madida Udanda Padava Bandeya Balaya Madida Udanda Padava Bandyaditta Shakata Surana Hota Padava Bandyaditta Shakata Surana Hota Padava Andaja Hanuma Bhuja Dolapuva Divya Padava Andaja Hanuma Bhuja Dolapuva Divya Padava Kandeve Navu Ranga Vittalana Divya Padava Kandeve Navu Ranga Vittalana Divya Padava Ikonode Ranganatana putta padava